is working overtime. Love is a simple situation, so why the complication? If you'd give it up, then we'd be fine. But you're not that kind, no. Why are you hounding me, pumping and pounding me? Just how much more can I take? What you believe to be, it's just a fantasy. That is your fatal mistake. Green eyes, I don't need you, I won't lead you on. Bye-bye, I complete me when the loving is done. I'll be right back where I started from. Boo-hoo, you ruin every party. You say I'm acting naughty. Well, maybe I just like a lot of friends. It's true, you're good under the covers, but lately I discovered it doesn't do it for me in the end. And I can't pretend, no. Maybe you need to be half of a whole, honey. I'm happy all by myself. Quit all your prying, I'm done with your spying. Go cry to somebody else. Green eyes, I don't need you. Life should be more fun. Bye-bye, I complete me. Let's just get this done. I'll be right back where I started. We're born alone, we die alone, but there's so much time together in this way. I'm here to play, can't wait a day. I made up my mind, I ain't wasting time with a guy who won't let me be free. No, 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 green eyes, I don't need you, I won't lead you on. Bye-bye, I complete me. I know what is good and I'm getting the sun. That's alright, I don't need you. Life should be more fun. Bye-bye, got to be me. Guess you're not the one. I'll be right back where I started. No, I won't be broken hearted. I'll be right back where I started from.
I was a single man out doing it right till I stopped by this joint late one night. A little bopping shack called Jenny's Juke Joint Jive. I walked in, I heard that saxophone, and she said, "Daddy, you don't want to drink alone." And that's the way I started this new life. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. All three things I like the most. Man, this chick was the uppermost. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. She turned around and gave me a grin, said her name was Olive and she only drank gin. Now I set down the tools of a Quaker. She picked up that cocktail shaker, mixing and a making and a stirring and shaking that thing. Before I knew it, I was loopy. She was in the corner doing hoochie coochie. With enough ice, we'll keep this up till spring. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. Three things I love the most, like caviar and onions and pointy toast. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. She twirled around with a little spin, said, "Come on, Daddy, Olive wants a gin." Before I knew it, I was in love, cooing just like a turtle dove. She had me all wrapped up like a ball of string. I asked her once and she said sure. Then she started acting all demure. The next thing I knew, I was hearing wedding bells ring. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. Three things I love the most, like dinner and a cigarette and a perfect toast. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. She twirled around with a little spin, said, come on, daddy, I don't want a gin. Now I'm back to the straight old life. I got 3 kids and a loving wife. Man, oh man, where did the time all go? One day I was chasing skirts. Now I'm back in the backyard digging dirt. I was a swinging cat. Now I'm an average Joe. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. That's what got me here. It used to be gin, now it's only beer. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. She twirled around and gave me a kiss. She said, come on, daddy, don't be remiss. She said, don't worry, man, it won't be long. The kids will be grown and we'll kick the gong. We go back how we used to live. Just a big cat daddy and his little olive. Red lips, the green eyes, and a dry martini. 3 things I love most, like me, her, the back going coast to coast. Red lips, green eyes, and a dry martini. She spun around and gave me the look. She said, come on, daddy, it's time to go. Listen, boys, to this tip. When you find a chick that's really hip, red lips, oh, that's a plus. Green eyes, man, now you're falling. Makes a good martini, you better marry that baby.